Want to move your favorite songs from OnePlus to iPhone without losing quality? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple and secure ways to transfer music smoothly whether you're a beginner or tech-savvy. Part 1. Transfer music from OnePlus to iPhone in one click. Phone Transfer is a versatile phone management tool designed to help you easily move data between different devices. It works across iOS and Android, allowing you to transfer, back up, and manage various types of files in just a few clicks. Step 1. Install and launch Phone Transfer. Download and install Phone Transfer on your computer. Open the software after installation. Use USB cables to connect your OnePlus and iPhone to the computer. The software will automatically detect both devices. Step 2. Select music files. Make sure your OnePlus is set as the source and shown on the main interface. Otherwise, you can switch devices using the drop-down menu if needed. Click on the Music tab from the left panel. Browse and select the songs you want to transfer. Step 3. Start the transfer. After selecting, click the Export to Device icon and choose your iPhone as the target. Phone Transfer will transfer the selected music quickly. Part 2. Transfer songs from OnePlus to iPhone using iTunes. Copy music from OnePlus to PC. Add files to iTunes. Connect iPhone and trust device. Select iPhone music, choose songs. Click Sync. Check Music app. Part 3. Copy music from OnePlus to iPhone with Google Drive. Open Google Drive on OnePlus and sign in. Tap Plus and upload music files on iPhone. Open Drive with same account. Download songs and enjoy. Part 4. Transfer music from OnePlus to iPhone using SHAREit. Install SHAREit on OnePlus and iPhone. Connect both to same Wi-Fi on iPhone. Tap Receive on OnePlus. Tap Send and select Music. Accept transfer on iPhone. Wait for files to complete. Part 5. Transfer songs from OnePlus to iPhone via email. On OnePlus, compose email and attach songs. Send to your own address. On iPhone, open email and download files. Save to Music app or player.